are you? Today I am making an album using Memorydex cards. So I am documenting a weekend getaway I took with my family last year, and it's a Memorydex album. So this is a little bit of a longer video than I usually do. So hang tight through the video. If you want to just see the flip through at the end, I will be doing a quick flip through at the end. However, it's just quick, and I will post on my YouTube channel maybe in a couple days a more detailed flip through, but this video is already getting long enough, so I hope you enjoy it. So where do I begin? I am making these two Memorydex cards here, and one is a heart-shaped box Memorydex, and then the other you're going to see me make. These are like my more 3D Memorydex cards. The rest are just flat and normal. The other one I am going to make is a bag Memorydex card. So these are not perfect. I'm not going to say I'm great at this, but I am practicing, and I wish I would have used like thicker paper, or maybe like if I had like a cardboard or something, that would be easier. But the paper that I used was like the paper pad paper, so it's a little bit thinner. But it still works out in the end, and I'm going to show you how I make it work and make it all very stable in the end. So I am using the Crate Paper Magical Forest collection. I love this collection. If you saw the video I posted for Scrapbook Nerd maybe about a week and a half ago, I did a scrapbook layout for my friend's baby shower using this collection, and it was such a perfect collection to use for that, because you can see even on the left there some of the phrases and sayings are very suitable for a baby shower. And I love all the little critters. The colors are very cutesy. Everything about it is very cute. It almost feels like kind of fall or autumn themed rather than spring, because this collection came out in the spring, but doesn't matter. I can use it year round. But yeah, in that regard, the cutesy theme to it and the feel to it, it's perfect for a baby shower. I think it would be good for a baby album, all that kind of stuff. But with that being said, I am documenting a weekend getaway. And the weekend getaway, as I said, as I was talking about fall, the weekend getaway was during fall, was during autumn. It was in October, during the Thanksgiving long weekend. So this collection is really suitable for that as well, because of I feel like, at least because of the colors. I think the colors are very fall themed. So this has worked out for two completely different occasions extremely perfectly, and I'm so happy with how this album turned out. Now, I have never made an album like this before. This was kind of my first go at it, which I probably should have maybe done a practice run, but it took so long and so much time anyway that I just wanted to get it done and get it documented and all that. So yeah, like I said, this is from October 2019. What else do I have to say? Yeah, you will see all the pictures and how I'm incorporating them soon. Oh yes, the other thing I wanted to say is that I followed some tutorials by Amber, so I will link her YouTube channel down below, because that is where I got what's the word? That's where I watched the tutorial for making the bag Memorydex, the heart Memorydex, and the Memorydex box itself. So I used all her tutorials, and I love how everything turned out. I love her tutorials. I highly recommend going to check that out. So as you can see here, I also cut out some regular sized regular size Memorydex cards instead of doing them all like the big 3D ones. I wanted some regular ones as well. And then I'm going to put a bunch of the pictures in the 3D Memorydex ones. So I think this is a really cute album and a really cute way to display something like a weekend getaway. Like I said, I've never done it this way before. I do my December dailies in a 6x8 album. I do my regular scrapbooking in a Project Life and scrapbooking album in one. What else? Sometimes I'll do mini albums when I go on big trips, like to Europe, or we went to Hawaii, things like that. Then I'll make their own, usually like 6x8 album or something like that, or 9x12, depends on the trip. And what I'm feeling like, but that's usually the kind of album I use for trips. But since this was just a weekend getaway with some family, it wasn't going to be huge. So I think I printed out 20 photos, and that at first it didn't seem like a lot, but then when I was putting it together, I'm like, yeah, I have a lot of photos to work out here. So what I'm going to do to some of them, I can't remember if I've already done it already. I've kind of just been blabbing away, but what I'm going to do to some of them is I'm actually going to make the photo itself a Memorydex card. And hopefully when I do the flip through at the end, you'll be able to see that better. But I know when I do the flip through, it's kind of difficult to see, I'm not going to lie, just because of the way I glued it. So I'm embellishing it here, like just having fun and just going for it. I have so many pieces from this collection that obviously are all from Scrapbook Nerd shop. So all those links will be down below. I have the sticker sheet, the cardstock stickers, the chipboard stickers, those like enamel type stickers, the sticker book, the ephemera pack, which actually I didn't reach for at all during making this. I don't really know why. I guess it was easier to just plop down stickers. I have the 6x8 paper pad and the 12x12 paper pad. I haven't gone into the 6x8 paper pad yet just because I'm kind of, I don't know, saving that. I don't even know why I got both paper pads because 12x12 paper pads last me forever. But I love this collection so much, so I feel like you can't really have too much paper. So if you want to get your hands on this collection, then go ahead and check out the shop. I will probably be ordering more of this when I get down to the end. I just think it's so cute. Like, look at that word, the words wildflower in that sticker sheet. I love that. I love I don't know, that font is almost like 70s vibe or something. But this collection just works. I love Crate Paper. I love their products. I feel like almost all of their collections are very unique and different from the last. Like, this collection is very different than from, let's say, Cute Kid or something like that? Cute Girl. I love that collection. It's one of my favorites. And then Cute Girl is a lot different than All Hearts. Like, they're all extremely different, but still have kind of the same vibes. Whereas, like, collections like Maggie Holmes, like, they all very well go together. Anyway, that's my little ramble on different designers. I love them all, but Crate Paper is my favorite. I love these glittery stars and hearts. I'm obsessed with them, and I'm so sad that they only come with one sheet of them. I do have one in my stash, so that's like half used, so I might bring that out, but for this project I have enough. But I actually really ended up liking the sticker sheet. When I first saw it, I was like, how am I going to use this? Sometimes I find clear stickers very difficult to use, but in the end, I think it turned out, I think for this, at least for this project, it turned out really well, and I could use some of those really pretty clear stickers right on top of the photos. I know for some people it might bug them that I put stickers on photos. Doesn't bug me. It's a part of my album. It's something that I love to look at and that I think is really pretty and cute. And I say it's better that I'm printing out photos and actually using them than not printing them out at all. So that's good. Yeah, what else? I'm just finding little bits and pieces, and I love that this chipboard has a lot of smaller pieces because sometimes chipboard does not have tiny pieces, but this does. I love the rainbows in this collection. I've said it before, I love the colors. I just think it's so cool and cute. The papers are just all so fun. Like, I don't think there's a paper in there that I don't like. They're all so fun. And with these Memorydex cards, I'm kind of letting them hang off the edge, and they're kind of wonky, and I love that. I love everything sticking out here and there. I think that's so fun. That's definitely my kind of style, and I'm not the type of person who likes everything perfect or straight or anything like that. I like it all wonky and whimsical like that. So I'm just rolling with it. And I think it's really cute. I am thinking of where I might display this little mini album. I'm not sure yet, but surely I will find a spot because I think it's so cute. So what I end up doing in the end, which I don't think you'll see, but I'll tell you about it, is that I actually end up gluing down the Memorydex cards to the box. Now, there's a couple reasons for this. My dimensions, I guess, when I was making this weren't totally correct because it wasn't sitting in there nicely. And like I said earlier, I wish I would have used like a thicker paper or something for the cards because I think they would have been able to stand up a lot easier. So they weren't really that stable. And so I did glue them down, so you can't take them out. You can't really like rummage through them too much or take them out too much or anything like that, but I am okay with that. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but I am okay with the way that turned out anyway. And yeah, they're just all glued in with hot glue, and now they're all stable that way. So I'm glad about that. That's what I wanted most. I didn't want them all flopping over and falling and off to the side because they wouldn't stay stable. So I'm totally okay with that. So we are going to go to real time and the flip through. So here we go. Okay, so I just really quickly wanted to do a flip through of this, but I will post on my YouTube channel in the next coming days a full detailed flip through of this in real time. But I just thought you might want to see some close-ups of it now that it's all done. So I'll just really quickly flip through it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and enjoyed this process. It's a little different, but I'm really happy that this trip is documented. Let me just take these photos out and quickly show you through them. Like I said, a more detailed flip through will be on my YouTube channel, but for now I think this video has gone on long enough, so don't want to take up too much of your time here. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to see. I'm trying my best here. And then here are the final photos. So cute. Love this collection. There we go, that's it. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, hope you enjoyed this fun little video and something different, and I think it turned out really cute. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.